Morning students, 8th standard science, unit 20. The topic is reaching the age of adolescence. Reaching the age of adolescence period. So the young one is developed from the unicellular zygote to adult body. So they become the normal human being. So this series changes from zygote to adult one or the young one. So the series of changes occur, it is called development. So they have a name, it's a development. So during the development, they have a different type of phases are present. Different type of, so the phases are present. So the human development is called a developmental stage. They have a different phases are they present in the human development. So it is called the human developmental stages. Human developmental stages. So the human developmental stages is a consist of infancy. So the infancy means they have in a childhood. So they have in a young baby is called infancy. From the infancy they are developed into childhood. So they have in a childhood stage. Then adolescence. So they have an adolescent stage. From the adolescent stage to develop into adulthood. Adulthood stage. Then middle age. Then they have a old age. So these are the human developmental stages. These are the human developmental stages. So first one is called infancy. So look like a baby. Then childhood. So they have in below 10 years. They have in a childhood days. Adolescence period. Normally the adolescence period is starting from 10 to 13 years at the end with 19 years. It means they have in a teenage period. The adolescence period is starting from 10 to 13 years. They end with 19 years. So this period is called a teenage period. Teenage, so the period. Almost all would be enter this period. Each and every human being, they reaching the period. The period means they have an adolescence period. So during the adolescence period, so the study about the reproductive phase. So they have a different phases are present in the human body. So first phase is called the human reproductive health. Reproductive phase. Reproductive surface. And then reproductive health. So reproductive is a health. And the nutritional need. And they have a nutritional need. And personal hygiene. So they have a personal hygiene. Or this is very, very important during the adolescence period. So during the adolescence period, they involve in the reproductive phase. They start in the reproductive phase. So the reproduction means the giving birth to young one is called in a reproduction. And also they become the reproductive health. The reproductive organism become the normal development, free from the disease. It is called a reproductive health. The nutritional needs. So during the adolescence period, they need for a proper diet. It means they have a balanced diet is very, very essential for the development of the, not only for the human body, and also the reproductive system. And also they have the reproductive system, the well-developed reproductive system. Then a personal hygiene. So the hygiene is very, very important during the reproductive phase. So they prevent the sexual transmitted disease. So the reproductive tract is affected by the infection. So they having a reproductive hygiene is very, very essential. So during the adolescence period. So when it's called a reproductive phase, reproductive health, and the nutritional needs and the personal hygienes are very, very essential during the adolescence period. Then adolescence and the puberty. Adolescence and the puberty. The term adolescence. The term adolescence is derived from the Latin word. So adolescent is called an adolescent. So the adolescent means to grow. Adolescence means to grow. So adolescence is a word is derived from the Latin word. So adolescence means to grow or grow to maturity. Grow to maturity. Then, during this period, the changes occur in. What are the changes occur during the puberty, adolescence period? So the changes occur in height, weight, height, so weight, and the sex organ. So the development of the sex organs, muscles mass, as well as the development of the brain. So development of the brain and the structure as well as the function. So they have during the adolescence period. So the changes occur in the height. The height is become very high. So the weight also increased during the adolescence period. Sex organ, both the male and the female sex organs are well developed during the adolescence period. So the muscles mass. So they have a muscles development in male as well as the female. And also the brain is become sharp. So during the adolescence period. In biologically, they have a physically changes. A physical transition marked in the onset of the puberty. Onset of the puberty and the termination of the physical growth of the individual. A termination of the physical growth is called in each and every organisms. So they have a adolescence means it is derived from the Latin word adolescent. So means to grow or to grow to maturity. So during the adolescence period, the changes occur in the body. So what are the changes? One is called height is changes, weight, sex organs are development, then muscles mass is well developed, and also the brain is developed both structurally as well as the functionally the changes. So they have in a puberty that takes place. So next, what is the meaning of puberty? So what is the meaning of puberty? So the puberty means a period of the few years in which the rapid physical and physiological and psychological. So they have a name. So puberty. So the puberty means they have a name. A rapid physical, physiological, and they have a name. A psychological. So psychological changes occur in the result the sexual maturity. So the physical changes, physiological changes, and the psychological changes occur in the body. So to attain the maturity. So the puberty is the onset of the production of the gametes. In the process is called puberty. In average age of the puberty onset is 10 to 11 years. 10 to 11 years for puberty in girls. 10 to 11 years they occur in girls. 12 to 13 years they have in boys. So during this period, both the male as well as the female, they attain the maturity, they attain the puberty. So thank you very much, students.